god, people. iPhone vlog.
Well,
Chris. We just ran from the airport car park all the way to check in. Milan 6 star. Bruh, we are in the worst possible way. I'm vlogging on my iPhone right now because I left my SD card at home in the back of my computer. Holy Lord, this vlog is gonna be a vibe. Stay tuned, I'll explain more in a bit. I'm so out of breath, it's unbelievable. Okay guys, so we are out here in Ibiza. We managed to rent out the quad bikes, and basically this video is going to be me telling you guys like how I earn my money, how I make my money, how can I afford to come to all these places, how can I afford to travel, how can I afford all these types of things. But basically I didn't want to just I didn't really want to just do a normal video sat in my room telling you. I basically want to turn it into a vlog of me having a great time, and then every so often I'm gonna tell you exactly how. And yeah, basically we hired out these quads, and look, there's Natalie there. Look. Anyway, it's about to be a vibe. Let's get it. Yo, I'm gonna put a Snapchat in because I just can't get over it.
it's only 30 kilos.
Yo, this guy fell down the ditch. This guy, oh my god, a bike. I mean a car. Move the helmets.
Maybe they can help us.
Oh my god. Yo, the bike, his bike is legit like down there. You cannot make it up. Milan is honestly the worst. He's been drifting, he's been going crazy this whole time, and now my man's in a ditch.
Did I not say it?
Yo.
How did you do that? Bro, it was here. I've never did it. So we're gonna put it up there.
Lost
How did you do
for,
it?
bro, he was doing a drift,
First of all,
and his first wheel went down here.
First of all, are you good though? You good? Yeah, I'm fine. I jumped off it. Bro, we were outside, we were like, what's going on? If I didn't jump off it, it wouldn't be here. I pressed brake, and because I slid, I thought it was going down, it broke, it stopped, and then because I got off, it kept going down.
You cannot make it up.
One eternity later.
Same, baby!
Oh my god. Holy. Bro, Milan's an idiot. A1 idiot.
Bro, cap!
We had to, you won't understand, you really won't understand what just happened.
ACWs.
Oh my god.
De verdad, muchas gracias, te lo agradezco mucho. No, pero gracias.
Wow, what a buy. Killed it. The legend. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, we are out of prison.
Oh, you had the strawberry one then, yeah?
Ooh, we're out of prison, we're on the beach, we're catching a vibe.
Wow.
And, well, I was almost arrested today and slept in a cell. Instead, we're on the beach, cheersing it up. My birthday tomorrow. Could have woke up in a police cell. Harambe, that would have been. Oh, that's strong. I think my man's trying to get us drunk. Damn. Okay, so today is my birthday, and I don't know. This video was supposed to be me like basically telling you guys how I make my money. Hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah, basically right now we are at Blue Marlin catching the biggest vibe in Ibiza with a few friends. My mom came as well because it was my birthday. She wanted to spend some time with me. What's wrong with Chris? Anyways, guys, so the first thing first is Instagram. So on Instagram, obviously Instagram do not directly pay me, but on Instagram is probably like the best way that I make my money. So for instance, like people will pay me to just post like a swipe up story, or mainly people will pay me for Instagram posts like, yo, I'm wearing this, or yo, I like this and I like that, and I'll post and I'll put these companies on and they'll pay me for it because basically I'll make them money by you guys, or whoever sees it will go and buy the products that I'm promoting. And I like to promote products that basically I feel make sense to me or are authentic to me, or I actually really like the product myself, or I've used it before and they hit me up afterwards, then I'll be like, yo, that's sick, that's perfect. Like recently Creed hit me up, and Creed is a perfume brand, and I always used to use Creed all the time. I used to spend my own money on it, and then they hit me up and wanted to pay me for it, wanted to send me a trip, wanted to send me on a trip for it, and I was like, yo, that's fire. But anyway, that's one of the ways that I make my money on Instagram, is through stories and feed posts and through clothing companies and through apps and stuff like that. This vlog is going to be me going even more depth, and I will show you my social blade. I will show you my YouTube statistics and how much I actually get paid from YouTube. It's not too much, but basically I want to give you some insight on how the hell I live this lifestyle, because I know so many of you guys have been wondering why and how is it even possible. How do I have 50 racks on my wrist? But yeah, we'll get more into it as we get along in the vlog. Anyways, I am 20 today, not a teenager no more, and I don't know the next time I'm gonna talk, so I'm gonna just send up the drone at Blue Marlin. Yeah,
that's a good idea,
right?
Yeah, he's smart.
I'm gonna just send up the drone for a nice transition to the next time I speak to you guys and tell you how much money I really make from social media, Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that. So, send it! So basically, today was a really shitty day and it was raining and stuff like that. So what I decided to do was come to this field with Milan and basically just go crazy on the ATVs. Look at this guy. Woo! Crazy. Anyways, I need to do some more talking, more explaining how the hell I live this lifestyle. Hopefully this is not too loud. About how much I make on YouTube, because the amount I make on YouTube is probably like £2,000 a month, if that. What my ad revenue does is pay my rent, essentially. That's pretty much all it does, is it pays my rent, just about. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. And I know you guys always complain about like, oh, I put loads of ads in my videos and stuff like that. And I really wish I didn't have to. And I don't know why my YouTube rate is so low, but even with like 4, 5, 6 ads, I'll only make like $100 and something off of like a video with over 100K, which just makes absolutely no sense. And basically, it's pretty annoying that I have to put so many ads in my videos, but hopefully that clears that up. And this one was actually probably one of my best months I've had ever since I started YouTube. Literally, I think it was around $3,000. I'll wait for the plane to go by and then I'll talk to you again. Okay, now I'm gonna touch on more YouTube and stuff like that when I actually have my laptop, when I can show you my statistics and stuff like that. But for now, this part of the video, I wanna talk a bit more in depth about Instagram. Now, a little bit, but not really, but a little bit, yeah. Blake Linder did trigger me a little bit when he said like, there is no possible way that you can afford a watch like this or all the stuff that I have just by Instagram promotions. And he's wrong. Like, he's literally wrong. Ever since I started Instagram and YouTube, have never, ever given me money. Not even right at the beginning where I had a few £100 and went to Supreme. They were my own few £100 that I had from my job. I had like I was getting like £500 a month, and that £500 I was then going in, camping, and I would literally spend the entire £500 on that Supreme drop and literally have £0 in my account. But then I know I would resell it, or I would get people to pay me up front, and then now I basically spent the £500 and kept the profit on top. So that's how I kind of first started. It was with sneakers. I remember when NMDs were coming out, the first few Yeezys. I copped a pair of Yeezys for £150 online, the Pirate Blacks, and I sold them for $650. Like, I literally felt rich at that point. And where it really took a turn for me is about Supreme Louis Vuitton. I feel like I made somewhere around £10,000, and I never had that type of money in my entire life, like ever. Sorry, was just checking if I was still recording. But when I made that £10,000 from Supreme Louis Vuitton, I literally felt like a millionaire. Like, I literally never camped out before then. I mean, I never camped out after, because I was like, yo, I made so much money off of reselling, I don't need to resell anymore. Like, my Instagram was doing really well at that time. I was really blowing up. I was gaining like 5,000 to 10,000 followers every single week. It was crazy. And I was like, bruh, I don't need to resell anymore. I'm basically getting a few £100 here and there from Instagram brands, which I was. There was one Instagram brand paying me like £1,000 every month, and that was like insane to me. Like, I was like, yo, I can legit make a career off of Instagram. Like, imagine I have 2 or 3 of those types of deals every month, and basically I can live off Instagram, like £2,000-3,000 a month off Instagram. I was going crazy with that. And that was probably about 2 years ago. Yeah, I would say that was about 2 years ago. Now, I don't want to tell you guys the exact rate that I obviously charge for promotions and stuff like that, because obviously that's business stuff, and I don't want to put that out on my YouTube channel publicly for people to see. But like, I'm getting way more than that per post than I was getting back then 2 years ago on Instagram for the whole month. So like, one of my friends just told me recently, he just done a promo post. He has like 100,000 less followers than me, and he just charged the brand $10,000. $10,000 for one Instagram post. One Instagram post for $10,000. So Blake, Linda, this is not a video about Blake. This is not a video about that whole situation, because he's never gonna respond. There's an airplane coming. I'll see you in a second. Yeah, as I was saying before the airplane came, one of my friends literally charged a company $10,000 for one Instagram post, and he has less followers than me. Now, I know that's a one-off, but there is no way Blake, Linda can try and tell you guys that there is no way you could possibly afford that stuff just on Instagram. Bro, $10,000 for one post. Now, obviously I don't charge $10,000 per post, but some people really do, and some people really get a few promo posts at that price per month. So you can imagine what these people with millions of followers, if you're working with the right brands, if you have the right management behind you, if you create that certain content, if you appeal to a certain audience or a certain niche market, you can really kill it on social media. Now, another thing I want to talk about is I used to sell presets. I used to sell merch. Maybe more merch coming soon, but I made a very decent amount of money off of my merch. I made a very decent amount of money on presets. Like, social media is crazy, and the fact that I have a following, I just really want to appreciate the fact that I am fortunate enough and lucky enough. I've always believed that success always needs a little bit of luck. There's only so much hard work you can do. There's only so many hours you can do. Sometimes you really do just need that little bit of luck. And I feel like my luck was just calling myself a hype beast, and it just blew up for me for some reason. Like, people literally come up to me and call me UK's biggest hype beast like all the time, and I think that was just lucky, and it just stuck, and I literally made a career out of it. And I appreciate you guys so much just for helping me out. But you can make a hell of a lot of money on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, by just promotions, merch, products. My point here is you can make a hell of a lot of money. Now, the plane is coming, so that's a perfect time for me to transition and go to the next time. Okay guys, so I am back in London. Hopefully you did enjoy that video, enjoy me explaining how I make so much money off social media and stuff like that. And hopefully this video does good, but the way YouTube is, the only way this video will do good if the thumbnail is good. So, let's go get a thumbnail.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, mate. For Ari? 5,000, please. It's fine, it's in the back. Okay, we're back. We have the thumbnail. Ooh. Okay, no. Now we have the thumbnail. Yes, I literally just went to the bank to get £5,000 just to do a thumbnail. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. It was more like a vlog style video instead of me just sitting down and telling you. I thought I would do it that way. So hopefully you did enjoy that. Guys, I'm so close to 200,000 subscribers. I'm on 192,000. So every single one of you counts. So if you are new to the channel or you watch my videos and just haven't subscribed, then subscribe right now. Join the Geese Army. Smash a like on this video because honestly, this video deserves a like. So just like it. Thank you. It's been your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast. Follow me on Instagram at Ari Petru on the screen, link down below. Peace out. What a vibe. Peace out. Geese Army.